So this is our part 2 of class 8 geography, land, soil and water resources. In part 1 we have learned about land resources and soil resources. So in part 2 we will learn about water resources. So students, without water, life cannot exist on earth. It is the source and sustainer of life. It makes earth a unique planet. Human activities and economic development depends on water. We require water for different purposes. We require water for drinking, to wash our clothes, even for agriculture also. So that is why water is very important resource for us. So let's understand about the water. Water. 97% of the Earth's water is saline and is found in oceans and seas. 2% is frozen fresh water. Hence, only 1% of fresh water is available for us. So, here you can see only 1% fresh water is available for us. So, we have only 1% of fresh water. So, that is why we should conserve our water. Rain is a primary source of fresh water, students. Rivers, lakes, groundwater are the secondary source of fresh water. About the water cycle, we have learned in our previous classes also. So water cycle involves the continuous circulation of water in the Earth's atmosphere. The main processes of water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Fresh water sources are river, groundwater and rainfall. Student, as we know that water is really very important source for us. So that is why we have to conserve our water. So there are some steps which are useful to conserve our water. Rainwater harvesting. Repair leaking taps. Prevent water pollution. Now let's understand about the water cycle. As we know, rain is a primary source of fresh water. Students, there are three processes of water cycle: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So in the evaporation process, liquid water evaporates into water vapor. Condensation to form clouds and precipitation back precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. This is called water cycle, and afterwards these water collected in the different water bodies. Nature has abundantly blessed India with rich water resources. Indian rivers can be broadly classified as perennial rivers and seasonal rivers. So let's understand about the perennial river first. So you can see here Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna. These all rivers are known as perennial rivers. So perennial rivers are those which have a continuous flow of water all the year round. So students, now we'll learn about seasonal rivers. So Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi, Chambal, Betwa, Sindh and Luni. These all rivers are our seasonal rivers. So seasonal rivers are rain-fed and do not flow all the year round. They are mainly found in central and peninsular India. So students, I hope you understood the concept. So we have learned about water resources, about water cycle, perennial rivers and seasonal rivers in this video. Thank you so much everyone.